Here we are over in Preston this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer previously had this Sky dish mounted on T&K brackets, however that was not in use. And the customer wanted to reuse these 24-inch T&Ks. We showed up, fitted our Starlink on a 3-foot mast just over the roof line, clear line of sight, with our own pole adapter and our own Cat 6 cable wired down across behind that down spout. A nice tidy finish through into his gaming room. However, it is a big house, so we've also fitted a mesh system consisting of 5 units. Customer's now receiving 300 plus megabytes per second all over his house. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.